Hi, I'm Jeevan from Vashishtha Research, and in this video, I'll introduce you to WindingGuru, our 4-axis filament winding software. WindingGuru generates G-code based on your specified winding patterns, streamlining the filament winding process. Now, coming to the main interface, when you open the WindingGuru software, you will see an interface as shown. The central widget is the 3D viewer. This is an interactive space where you can visualize the mandrel, winding pattern, and real-time winding animation. At the top, the toolbar provides essential tools for adjusting the view orientation, controlling animations, setting mandrel properties, generating winding report, exporting G-code, and managing file operations. On the side, additional widgets offer detailed information about the mandrel and winding parameters, along with easy controls for adding or removing winding layers. To define the mandrel, simply click on Configure Mandrels button. This opens an interface where you can choose and customize the mandrel type. The interface has a 2D viewer that provides a technical drawing of the mandrel. The software supports a variety of mandrel structures including cylindrical mandrels, which are ideal for tubes, cylindrical mandrels with various dome end caps such as hemispherical, ellipsoid, and torusophical, which are ideal for pressure vessels, and disc end caps useful for winding of tubes of low winding angle. You can also define mandrels with different polar opening at each end, and cantilever structures where one end is closed. You can define mandrels having a single dome combined with a cylindrical surface. These are useful in radome-like structures. It is also possible to have non-cylindrical mandrels like a pair of hemispherical domes or a combination of different domes such as the one shown here for a hemispherical dome and a disc dome. This flexibility allows users to define a wide range of mandrel shapes, ensuring compatibility with diverse filament winding applications. To add a winding layer, just click the Add button and configure the settings in the Layer Definition interface. WindingGuru supports multiple winding techniques, including polar helical winding, non-polar helical winding on cylindrical mandrels, and hoop winding for cylindrical mandrels. As new layers are added, the software's built-in algorithm automatically adjusts the mandrel thickness, maintaining consistent winding throughout. When transitioning between different winding angles, such as from hoop to helical or vice versa, the software seamlessly generates transition layers, ensuring smooth and automated winding operations. Additionally, users can, through the software, increase the polar diameter of subsequent layers to maintain proper bead thickness and prevent bridging with the polar ends, which are critical for high-quality filament winding. The winding report provides crucial insights into material usage, including the estimated fiber length and weight, the approximate resin requirement, and the final composite weight calculated using the assumed fiber volume fraction. This helps in optimizing material planning and reducing waste. Once the winding pattern is finalized, users can generate machine-ready G-code with Export G-code feature. The export interface allows customization of access text, unit settings, direction, feed rate, and speed parameters. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of filament winding machines, making WindingGuru a versatile and adaptable solution. Thanks for watching, and for more information or to contact us, please check the description below.